Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Agatha, your favorite tea girl and your latest spice madam. I actually own Chieftain's Tea brand and Spice Madam. Chieftain's Tea makes varieties of high quality grade tasting teas, both medicinal and non-medicinal grade teas, while Spice Madam makes premium foods, spices, foods, seasoning and herbal blends for your foods or favorite recipes. So these spice and seasoning blends with our herbal blends add delicious color, taste, aroma to your foods and favorite recipes. So today, as part of my herbal deep dive and herbal insight, I'm going to talk about hibiscus mint shampoo for healthy hair. So today I want to tell you how you can make your shampoo using just hibiscus and mint. Hibiscus is the popular zobo you can find around you. Just like mint tea, you can find mint leaf around you as well. So if you can't find mint leaf and you can lay your hands on peppermint or spearmint, you can use, but trust me, mint leaf is more common. Okay, so before I proceed on this your DIY shampoo that we are going to make using hibiscus and mint leaf, so let's talk about few benefits of hibiscus beyond its color and taste. You know, hibiscus tastes so nice and it has a lovely color. Okay, so this powerful herb is rich in antioxidants, fighting free radicals, which ultimately helps the body function well. You know, so hibiscus contains several immune boosting vitamins like vitamin C and B, while offering up other important vitamins like iron, calcium, magnesium. You know, so in addition to all of the great nutrients, studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea is possibly effective for treating high blood pressure. This is a common fact, is everywhere. Then there are other alluring benefits like it has the potential to reduce sugar and fat levels in your blood. Yeah, but you have to consult your medical. This is not a medical advice, so consult your doctor before you proceed. All right, so aside from reducing sugar and fat levels in your blood, it reduces swelling and acts as an antibiotics. You see the reason you need to see your doctor first before drinking anything that has hibiscus. Okay, so some Ayurvedic medicine treatments claim that hibiscus has the ability to strengthen your hair and even help hair regrowth. Yeah, so when fresh hibiscus flowers are mashed, they have a slimy, sleek consistency that can be, if you know, is a natural thing. So is a chemical free way to condition your hair. Another bonus is that it also makes your hair stronger and grow faster. Yeah, so today I want to tell you how to make hibiscus shampoo yourself using the ingredients around you. So you need just a few ingredients. So the few ingredients you need to pull this off are: the very first one, you need 1 cup of filtered warm water. 1 cup of filtered warm water is approximately 23.67 cl, that's centiliter. Then you need 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus or zobo. Hibiscus is zobo, like I said earlier, so don't get confused or start asking me how does hibiscus look like. Look at it here. This is how it looks like. So another thing you need is 1 teaspoon of dried mint leaf. Here, 1 teaspoon of dried mint leaf. Then you need 2 tablespoons of almond oil or any carrier oil. Coconut oil is also a carrier oil. So another one, you need 25 drops of any essential oil of your choice. You know, essential oil or fragrance oil. So some people call it essential oil, some people call it fragrance oil. So you need up to 25 drops for this. So you can use the mint. There is peppermint essential oil, there is orange essential oil, there is lemon essential oil. There are so many essential oil out there, so you can get any one of your choice. But for this particular recipe, I will recommend you use peppermint essential oil. Yeah, so what do you have to do at the end of bringing all these things together? Make sure your hibiscus is dried, your mint leaf is dried. So you know, you usually buy mint leaf fresh. So when you buy it fresh, all you need to do is to dry it or sun dry it. Please don't even dry it, please, so you can retain the nutrients. All right, so combine the warm water, dried hibiscus flower and mint in a small bowl and allow to steep uncovered. Don't cover it. But one of the reasons I say cover, if it is tea that you are brewing, I would prefer you cover it so the essential oils will not evaporate. So let it steep for 30 minutes. All right, so after steeping for 30 minutes, the next thing you will do is to strain it and discard the herbs, reserving the infused liquid. So what else do? You pour the infusion into a clean bottle. You can get a bottle like this. So when you get it, what do you do next? Like this is a, like if you have a used shampoo or something, so you can use it to do it. So all you need to do is to add the castor soap, almond oil and the essential oil, cover it properly and shake very well for it to mix properly. So after mixing, you have yourself shampoo for your healthy growth. All right, so this is for those, how a lot of hair care products, especially the imported ones, that have been affecting black women's health, and a lot of women are going natural and they are looking for a lot of things that will make them natural. They will use to maintain their hair, and it will be natural and at the same time preserving their health. So are you going to try this my DIY today? Do it yourself. All right, so let me know if you are going to try it and kindly tell me when you try. All right, you can also comment that you have tried it. My friends, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so whenever I post a video, you will be the one to see. I promise to bring you more DIY next time. Have a lovely day. Mwah.